This video will explain how to replace the O-rings for the clean-in-place hose and the water fittings on a FreshBlender unit. To begin, locate the O-ring on the fitting of the clean-in-place hose. The quick connect fitting at the end of the hose may be plastic or metal. Remove the O-ring from the end of the CIP hose using an O-ring pick or a small straight screwdriver and then discard. Wash, rinse, and sanitize the fitting at the end of the CIP hose. Thoroughly dry the fitting before installing the new O-ring. Coat the new O-ring with food-grade lubricant and install over the tip of the fitting. Return the CIP hose to the cleaning supply storage area. To replace the water supply O-ring, disconnect the water line located at the rear of unit. Remove and replace the O-ring on the fitting end of the water supply line. Thoroughly dry the fitting before installing the new O-ring. Coat the new O-ring with food-grade lubricant and install over the tip of the fitting. Reconnect the water supply line. Push the unit back into place. Verify drains are connected. Make several drinks with the manager present to confirm operation. For further assistance, contact Multiplex Technical Support at 844-724-2273.